Thank you for visiting leverageexcel.com. Today, we'll be discussing conditional formatting, and more specifically, how to apply conditional formatting so that it highlights the entire row within your dataset. Here, we have our sample employee dataset, and we want to highlight the entire row for all worker job titles. So we start by highlighting our data, excluding the top header. The easiest way to do this is by selecting the upper leftmost cell and then using Control, Shift, down, and right to highlight your data. Then we're going to go up to Conditional Formatting in the top ribbon and create a new rule. We'll select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. In this example, our job titles are in row E. So the formula that we will use is equals $E2 equals quote worker, close quote. We're starting in row 2 because this is where the data begins. If you highlighted the entire set of columns, you'll start in row 1. Also, we use the $ to create what's called a mixed reference, and I'll explain what this means in a moment. We'll also need to change the format and select which color we want to highlight the cells. So we'll select yellow and OK again. And so you can see we're highlighting the entire row of our data for every row where the job title is worker. You can edit your rules by selecting conditional formatting and then going down to manage rules. You may need to change this top filter from current selection to this worksheet in order to view your formulas. We'll select the formula we want to edit and click edit rule. And if we go into our formula and we delete the $, and then if we apply this new rule to our data set, you'll see that we're only highlighting column A. So when we remove the $, column A is referencing column E, and it's looking and finding worker. Now column B is referencing column F, and it's not finding the worker title anywhere. So we can go back into our formula and add the $, back in, and the $, essentially locks in this reference point for column E. So all of our cells are referencing column E, and the result is that all of those cells are now highlighted because they find worker. So as you can see, it's relatively simple to apply conditional formatting to highlight the entire row of data when referencing just a single cell. You just have to remember to highlight all of your data and apply the conditional formatting to the entire data set, and then use the $ to lock in the reference for whatever specific column you're wanting to look at. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. If you'd like a specific video tutorial, please send us a message via the Contact Us page at leverageexcel.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.